Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking this frozen Indian flatbread called Paratha in the air fryer. Air fryer cooks it straight from frozen, so no need to defrost. So let's take out the Paratha out of its package. So I'm going to open the packaging. And let's take Paratha out of the package and put it in the air fryer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 3 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, look at this Paratha flatbread. It looks amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. It's nice and soft. Let's take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. Looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. Let me show you that it's perfectly heated. And let's try. Tastes so delicious. It's slightly crispy on the outside and so soft on the inside. Perfect texture. It's kind of like a tortilla, but not quite. You really have to try it. It's made with this nice flaky pastry. So delicious. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!